Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear students. How are you all? Everything okay? I'm your teacher Shah Mahmood, subject of science, grade 4. Today we study chapter 4, unit 4, living things and their environment. My dear students, today our topic is what do animals eat? Page 33. So our topic, without plants, there would be no food in the world. So plants provide food for animals. So what will happen without plants on Earth? So plants provide mainly the food for animals. And without plants, the animal will die. So green plants can make their own food from the light energy of the sun. And what this process called? Yes, it is called photosynthesis. So green plants make their own food from the light energy of the sun. That is called photosynthesis. My dear students, here is the photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? In the process of photosynthesis, the sun provides the energy to the plant, and carbon dioxide, which is present in the air, directly absorbed by the plant leaves. And from the root of the plant gets minerals and water. So in the presence of water, carbon dioxide, gas, and in the presence of sunlight, the plants make their own food, and that food is called sugar. So energy for the sun is stored in the sugar made by the green plants. So some of this energy is used by the plant itself, and some of this energy is stored in the plant, but most of the energy is lost. So by process of photosynthesis, the sugar, or you can say the food, is made by the green plants, and this sugar is used by animal and plants itself. So my dear students, without plants, there would be no food in the world, because the main source of food of animals is plants, and plants make their own food in the form of sugar in the process of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a very important process for the plant. So sugar and other food material made by the green plants is used by the animals. My dear students, what do animals eat? So on the basis of this animal food, we categorize the animal into three categories. Number one, herbivorous. Number two, carnivorous. And number three, omnivorous. So what are herbivorous animals? What are carnivorous animals? And what are omnivorous animals? Let's see. My dear students, here is the first category, that is called herbivores. So what are herbivorous animals? So animals that eat only plants, these animals are called herbivores. So only those animals which only eat the plants are called herbivores. They have special teeth which help them to chew leaves and grass. You can see here the horse. So horse is a herbivorous animal. So this horse, when feed on plants, it eats the stored energy actually, and so energy passes from plants to animals. So these are the herbivorous animals. Yes, my dear students, here is another example of herbivorous plant. What is the name of this animal? Yes, zebra. So zebra is also a herbivorous animal. So what are herbivorous animals? The animals that eat only plants. These animals are called herbivores, and they have special teeth which help them to chew leaves and grasses. So rabbit, cows, sheep, horses, and zebra are example of herbivorous animals. Yes, my dear student, here is another example of herbivorous animals. What is the name of this animal? Yes, rabbit. So rabbit is also a herbivorous animal. So what are herbivorous animals? Yes, the herbivorous animals are the animals that only eat plants. So rabbit, cow, sheep, horses, zebra, rabbit, and even the camel are example of herbivores. So these animals feed on plants. When it eats the stored energy, and this energy of the plant passes from plant to animals. My dear students, here is the second category of how do animals eat, and that is carnivorous animals. So what are carnivorous animals? So some animals eat only the meat or flesh of other animals. So these animals are called carnivorous animals. The carnivorous animals is the second category of the how do animals eat. So they have special teeth. Carnivorous animals have special teeth and sharp claws. Why they have sharp claws and special teeth? Because they help them to grip and tear the flesh of animals. Yes, so that's why they are called carnivorous animals. So here is the example of carnivorous animals. You can see the lion and tiger. Here is another example of a carnivorous animal. You can see here. What is the name of this animal? Yes, tiger. So tiger is also an carnivorous animal. So it has, you can see the sharp claws. You can see the sharp claws of this tiger. So these sharp claws help them to grip and tear the flesh of animals. Yes, my dear students, here are some more examples of carnivorous animals. You can see here the different type of carnivorous animals. So these all animals have special teeth and sharp claws. Why they have special teeth and sharp claws? Yes, their special teeth and sharp claws help them to grip and tear the flesh of animals. So you can see here the different examples of carnivorous animals. My dear students, the third main category, how do animals eat, is omnivorous animals. So what are omnivorous animals? So human beings and some other animals and birds eat both plants and animals. So this category and these type of animals are called omnivorous animals. So bears, hens, and crows are the example of omnivorous animals. Next we see the example. My dear students, you can see here the omnivorous animals. So one is the human being and second is the bear. So they are omnivorous animals. Both human beings and bear are omnivorous animals. Yes, my dear student, here is another example of omnivorous animal. What is the name of this animal? Yes, the name of this animal is crow. So crow is also an omnivorous animal. My dear student, here are some other example of omnivorous animal. What is the name of this animal? Yes, the name of this animal is hens. So hens is also an omnivorous animal. It can eat both animal and plants. So what are omnivorous animals? All those animals which eat both plant and animals, they are called omnivorous animals. Yes, my dear students, here is the reason for you, the carnivorous, herbivorous, and omnivorous animals. So here is the table. You can see You can see this table and you can sort out these animals into carnivorous, herbivorous, and omnivorous animals easily. Yes, my dear students, now it's time for your practice. So here is the table of all herbivorous, omnivorous, and carnivorous animals. So you take a paper and draw the three columns. In number one column, you will write, give the heading herbivorous. In next, you will give heading omnivorous, and in next, carnivorous. And you will draw the diagram and name of those animals which are herbivorous, omnivorous, and carnivorous animals. So write the name of herbivorous, omnivorous, and carnivorous animals and draw their shape and color them. Yes, my dear students, any question, any problem? Thank you. Allah Hafiz.